Welcome to our CSCI 3302 final project presentation by Itash Kalra.
Ishika Patel.
And Ethan Meyer.
Today, we're going through a multi-robot simulation using the Mavic Pro and the ePuck robot. We'll be doing color and object detection, image analysis, as well as the shortest path algorithm using A-star search. We'll also have robot odometry and waypoints with a real-time feedback controller, and now let's show you a quick demo.
Helicopter!
In our demonstration, you can see that the DJI robot is at the center of the grid, and the red dot is where the GC-tronic ePuck starts at. You can fly this robot using the arrow keys, but we've set it to go to a set altitude so that we can take a photo of our grid. You can also change the orientation of the camera as demonstrated using the ASDF keys as integrated into our simulation. This robot uses a black color filter to take a photo of our grid, as well as a green filter to identify the perimeters of our maze. The green was originally for a perspective transform, but unfortunately, due to time constraints, we were only able to crop the image around the green perimeter. There's also a red and blue filter used on the image taken to determine the start and end points of our robot. After using this cropping technique, we use a buffer on the selected image to run A-star search. We can then use the outputted A-star search path, which you can see as a light gray path, to determine the path that the ePuck robot should take. After this A-search algorithm has been completed, we sample about 5% of our points, including the start and end points of the ePuck robot as determined by the red and blue filters to determine the best path for this robot to navigate through the maze. In order for the two robots to communicate with each other, we used a communication text file in order for the ePuck robot to wait until the A-star search algorithm has been completed. As you can see here, it performed the most optimal route without running into any of the walls due to our buffer and A-star algorithm.